Hey, what is your name?
My name is Jackson.
Jackson what?
Jack Sparrow.
Jackson Sparrow. Ano mo? How old are you, Jackson?
I'm just 26 old.
26 years old. So this is from Solomon Island.
Solomon Island.
What province?
Malaytan.
Oh, from Malaita. So he's one of our worker, Jackson from Malaita. Married or not yet?
Yeah, I'm just single.
Still single. Oh, hello in Philippines.
Still finding some girls too.
You like Filipina?
Yeah.
You like huh? You like Filipina? Why you like Philippines?
I wanna taste the flavor from Filipino.
Yeah. So not yet finished. So what can you say about our work? Is it okay or not okay?
This work is already good for
Yeah.
young people too.
Young people,
Involved,
yeah?
Involved and to learn how about some new skills.
So are Filipino supervisors engineer okay or good or not good?
Yeah, just good.
Good, huh?
Everyone good.
Are you sure, huh?
Yes. She's kind. Some.
Why
They're kind.
the Filipino good? Why?
They are simple in some movements.
Oh, okay, huh? Okay. So since we start, so good luck. We start today, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Jackson.